So people in X are using this new device, portable space heater, advertised by outbrain, and guess what? Is this actually a scam product? Let it see. Heater Pro. Keep warm this winter with a new innovation heater, which is selling like crazy. Of course, winter could be exceptionally cold, last longer than normal. Traditional heating is outdated. It's innovation, slow to heat up and becoming more costly to run every year. And a Swedish company, they will release premium combat heater Pro. Wait, this is called Mr. Oscar Carlson invented the perfect solution. Go ahead. What the hell? Well, fake. What? Fake. Fake person. Maybe if I check the review advisor.net and it's the same scam as far as I know. It says 11/10/2022. And you can see here, why do you have an instant heat technology? And Heater Pro is actually saving energy compared to conventional heater. What's making the Heater Pro make it 37% warmer in 3 minutes for just pennies? It was probably built for Swedish low temperatures. It makes it the most exciting engine in the world, but it has been made with average consumer. Of course, Motorola using it to keep it at manageable temperature. Quickly heat up to 250 square. Save money on electricity. Small toggle, safe, easy to use, so fun. Come with voice controller, and look at that. What? Marketing scarcity, maybe running out of stock soon. And how do they call it work? I go into shop deal. Then look at that. There's a checkout page. Look at that. There's an upsell. Do not browse away from this age. We deliver a whale today. It's you see here. It says Northern Secure. Okay, it's running in Crime Flare. Why have it expensive? Of course, the thing is, all of which is came from the fake buyer. Fake buyer. And they have affiliate ID. I checked. As you see, it's all on the location. It's all on the location as far as I know. Now, the location even changed with the same IP, even with a different IP address. And heck, I checked, it's all the same, it's all different, with the fake reviews flooding the world. As you can see, how it actually works. I see the IP address. I see the IP address. Of course, they were all from Scam City. Now, of course, they have a GeoIP shit that have claimed that it's a different page as far as I know. Now, another page. I have to put it on the getshopdeal.com/checkout. They don't honor X4.4. So you can't change location. What? The fake. This was first of all. This is a fake review made by GetShopDeal.com. And well, second of all, it's like Alpha Space Heater. It's the same thing as an Alpha Space Heater, costing three like this. Which and this is one is the same thing you want to buy. It looks like it's the exact same thing with variation, and it doesn't even work at all compared to the normal heaters. Well, I may have to buy a product just just to make sure this product is actually a scam. Well, this is also sold everywhere in marketplaces, Blavely.com. So we may test the product in the next weeks. So sure the product itself is a scam.